In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Snowflake account. Whether you're tidying up your accounts or looking to streamline your workflow, this process is straightforward but requires a few carefully planned steps. Let's walk through it together. First, you want to start by navigating to the Admin section. Once you're there, look for a tab or option labeled Accounts. Think of this area as your central hub where all your account information lives within Snowflake. Here, you'll find a list that includes all of your accounts, each of which represents a component of your cloud data resources. Next, take your time to locate the particular account you wish to delete. This is a crucial step because once the account is dropped, reversing this action can be complicated, especially if you've made significant progress or modifications within the account. Therefore, double-check to ensure you're selecting the correct one. It's a good idea to have a clear understanding of your account's role and the potential impact of its removal before proceeding. After you've identified the account you wish to drop, you'll notice an ellipsis, that's the three little dots, situated right next to the account name. Clicking this will present you with a menu designed to facilitate various actions related to the account. Among these, you'll see the option labeled Drop Account. Go ahead and select it, which initiates the deletion process. Now comes an important part, specifying a grace period. This grace period can be anywhere from 3 to 90 days. During this time, your account isn't permanently deleted, but instead enters a state where it can still be restored if needed. Choosing the right grace period is a strategic decision. Consider how certain you are about permanently removing the account and if you might need to revive it. A longer grace period is more forgiving, offering more time to change your mind, whereas a shorter one is more decisive if you're sure about your decision. Once you've settled on the appropriate grace period, you need to confirm the action. Do this by clicking the Drop Account button. This final step is a kind of digital seal on your decision, and from here, your account enters the grace period you specified. To sum up, while deleting a Snowflake account is a straightforward task, each step plays a critical role in ensuring the process goes smoothly. From navigating to the correct location in the interface to carefully selecting your grace period, following these instructions with attention will ensure that you complete the process securely and confidently. So, you're all set. Whether you're clearing out the clutter or simplifying your account management, you now know how to delete your Snowflake account efficiently. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. And if you have any questions or need further clarification, don't hesitate to reach out.